Awning windows are a popular choice for many homeowners in Bel Air due to their stylish design and practical functionality. They are hinged at the top and open outward, allowing for excellent ventilation while keeping rain out. However, like all windows, awning windows will eventually wear down and need to be replaced. Whether due to age, wear and tear, or changing energy efficiency needs, replacing old awning windows can significantly improve the comfort and security of your home. In this article, we'll go over the signs that it's time to replace your awning windows and how doing so can benefit your Bel Air home. Visible damage to the window frame or glass. One of the most obvious signs that it's time to replace your awning windows is visible damage to the frame or glass. Over time, the frame can deteriorate due to weather exposure, especially in Bel Air, where the climate can be hot and dry, and sometimes prone to heavy rain or winds. If the frame is cracked, warped, or rotting, it's likely that the window is no longer properly sealed, leading to drafts or water leakage. Similarly, the glass in your awning windows might show signs of cracking or fogging. Cracked glass can lead to safety risks, while fogging between the panes can indicate a broken seal, compromising the window's insulating properties. If the damage is extensive, a replacement may be the best solution to restore your home's security and energy efficiency. Drafts and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. One of the main purposes of windows is to provide insulation and help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. If you notice drafts around your awning windows, it's a clear sign that the seals around the window have failed. This can lead to an increase in energy bills, as your HVAC system will have to work harder to maintain the desired temperature in your home. Awning windows that don't seal properly can also allow moisture or humidity to enter your home, contributing to uncomfortable indoor air quality. If you find that your living spaces are drafty, even with the windows closed, it's time to consider replacing them with new, energy-efficient options. Difficulty opening or closing the window. If your awning windows are difficult to open or close, it could indicate that the window mechanism is damaged or worn out. Over time, the hinges or the crank mechanism that operates the window can become stiff, rusted, or broken. Not only does this make your windows less functional, but it can also be a safety hazard in case of an emergency where you need to open your windows quickly. Awning windows should open and close with ease to ensure proper ventilation and functionality. If you find that the window is sticking or won't open at all, it's a good indication that it's time for a replacement. Increased noise levels inside your home. Another sign that it's time to replace your awning windows is an increase in outside noise. Old or improperly sealed windows may not provide sufficient soundproofing, allowing traffic noise, neighbors, or environmental sounds to enter your home. This can be particularly disruptive in a neighborhood like Bel Air, where peace and tranquility are often valued. Modern windows, especially energy-efficient models, offer improved sound insulation. If you're noticing that your home is louder than it used to be, replacing your awning windows with newer models can help reduce the noise and make your home more peaceful. Rising energy bills. A major concern for homeowners in Bel Air is keeping energy costs down, especially during the hot summer months. If you've noticed a spike in your energy bills despite using the same heating and cooling practices, it could be due to old or inefficient windows. Awning windows that are aging or not functioning properly allow heat to escape during the winter and cool air to leak out during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models can help lower your energy consumption, improve your home's insulation, and reduce your monthly energy bills. Newer windows are designed to better regulate temperature, which is especially important in a climate like Bel Air's, where temperatures can vary significantly throughout the year. Outdated appearance or style. Your awning windows may still be functional, but if they're outdated or no longer match the aesthetic of your home, it may be time to consider an upgrade. Replacing your windows with more modern designs or materials can instantly elevate the look of your home and increase its curb appeal. In Bel Air, where style and aesthetics play an important role in the value of homes, having windows that complement the architectural style of your home is crucial. New windows can not only enhance the overall appearance of your home but can also increase its market value if you ever decide to sell. Water damage or mold growth around the window. If you notice water stains, mold, or mildew around the edges of your awning windows, it's a strong indicator that the seals around the window have failed, allowing water to seep in. This can lead to significant damage to your walls, frames, and floors, and if left unchecked, it could lead to mold growth, which can be harmful to your health. Water damage around windows can be a costly issue to repair, and if left untreated, it can worsen over time. Replacing your old, leaky awning windows with properly sealed, weather-resistant ones can help protect your home from water damage and keep your living spaces dry and healthy. Conclusion. Replacing your awning windows in Bel Air can have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency, security, and aesthetics. Whether you're dealing with drafts, difficulty opening the windows, or signs of damage, replacing your windows with newer, more efficient models is a wise investment that will improve your home's comfort, functionality, and curb appeal. If you've noticed any of these signs in your home, it may be time to contact a professional window installation service. They can assess the condition of your windows, recommend suitable replacements, and ensure that your new windows are installed correctly to maximize their performance and lifespan. Don't wait for further damage. Act now to enjoy a more energy-efficient, secure, and beautiful home.